Hello, welcome to another MTS Trades video. And in today's video, I'm just gonna go over some swing trades that we took losses on, and also some day trade that we took in Asia session, and we ended up slaying. And my decision making was actually on point. My buys, my analysis. So let's dive right into it. So I traded EJ and GJ today, as you guys can see, and also we traded US. It was my personal. So these three trades, US 100, SPX 500, and US 30. These trades were initially just mine. I took it I took it in my journal, and I'll show you shortly into the video later down the line. So let's get into it. Why I took this trade. First off, it was around Asia session open. Let's get to 15 minute. We had a break of structure on a 5 minute chart. Okay. After that, I waited right around I'd say couple minutes when we had a break of structure. After break of structure, I just made an order block there. Then I just went long, and my TP was actually the gap over here. So the only reason I did not trade the majors right now, because majors are manipulated. So if you guys can see the chart, okay, this is the first chart, okay, this is GU, and look at the GJ. You see the manipulation? There's less manipulation on the alts, like the miners. So this is the first reason. And now look on the EJ. You see pure rally up. Now look at the EU. So boom, boom, boom. Right? You see the difference. So this is the major reason I don't normally trade. So that's the same thought process going into our EJ. So I took both of them for the gap only. I took trade after the Asia sessions kicked in, and we were in the Asia session around 3 to 4 hours in, and I took it, and I actually alerted the community as well. So let's look into the US 30. So I ended up taking this trade when the Asia session actually started, and we were around about but when was it? It was around 1 o'clock. I think 1 hour in, and it just took this long. Why? Because on hourly and 4 hourly, we had a break of structure, and it was a really, really change of break of structure, obviously, and then the market was actually reversing. It was quite obvious, So I took this trade on hourly, market break of structure, even though it doesn't look like it. But on hourly, from my analysis, from my scanning, guys, if you guys don't know how I scan and trade the markets, make sure you check the link down below in the description, and you can watch 1 hour long YouTube video, and you'll see what I see and how I scan markets. So nonetheless, if you want to go through the theory, I entered into this trade basis of just the change of the market, shift break of the order block on the high time frames, and that's how we dived into this trade, and we ended up pulling 200 points on the US 30, around how many points on this one, around 300 points on this, and vice versa. So aspects as well. So now let's dive into the money, how much we made the money. All right, let's have a look. Opening up our first account. So on this account, on the GJ long, we made around $1,137.11. On EJ long, we ended up making $1,866.98. And on our US 30 long, we made $6,992.70. On our SPX 500, we made $1,305. On NAS, we made $4,449. And for the day, on one account alone, we made $15,699.39. Now let's head to the other account. All right. So that account was 100K. This account is 100K as well. So on this account, we made on US 30 long, we made 4,653.80 pence on foreign account on one trade. On the NAS 100, we made $1,471. SPX, we made $427.20. EJ, we made after hitting the TP, went right over it. So we made $134.58. GJ, we made $78.87 because I trimmed it. And then on GJ again, we made 188 because it was a one lot long. So I actually trimmed it. So this is the trim because it's empty forward. That's why showing why there are two positions. So I trimmed it. So altogether we made around $200 on this one. On GJ as well, I made around over $300. So yeah, that's all. And on this account alone, we made $7,155.22. Let's head to the third account. Okay. Now on this one, obviously there was a loss for the day because we closed the sales. Now on the GJ alone, we made $66. EJ we made $139. GJ we made $173. EJ, we made a gain $289 after the trim. So US30 with a 0.5 lot only from 600 to 850 points. That's like 250 point move on an index. That's a really big move for the day. And we made $1,153.30. On SPX, we made $42. On NAS, we made $146. So altogether on this account, we made $1,943.37, as you guys can see from the title. So I'm going to show you where I gave these trades. So let's have a look. TP gap fill. So around quarter to one, okay, I gave these trades. As you guys can see, the plays here before, okay, and then here comes the after, okay. This guy can say beautiful, beautiful play, beautiful run by our GJ, okay. That's actually EJ, so this is the EJ, okay, before and after, before, after. Now let's look on the GJ before. We had a really wide stop loss on this one as well, 23 pips, actually 42 pips. That's a lot of wide, like a really wide, but it's like 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio, like trade we took, so it's all good. So let's have a look on the next one. Okay, so our TP got hit around I trimmed 50% around quarter to 9 into the London session, as you guys can see. Okay, I trimmed the EJ as well around quarter past 9, and then the GJ TP hit around quarter to 10, and then half past 10 our EJ hit as well. Beautiful, beautiful run up. Look at this. This is just marvelous. So let me close all these. Actually, now, so this is the journal and the trading floor. I said, okay, that's what I was aiming for. Okay. Now my personal journal, as you guys can see, being like, so look at this beautiful, like, 400 running up, not 1,000 running up, that's just amazing. Look at this, boys. 7,000 running profits, 870, 4,000 running profit. That's just marvelous. So guys, that's a wrap for the video and the week. We started off like a banger. So if you guys haven't joined the community, make sure you check the MTS Trade on the Twitter, follow to stay updated. Okay, and if you guys want to join the community and learn how to do it, make sure you head to the shop link down below. It'll be in the description. And if you want to know how I do what I do, so it'll be $20 course. It's a 1 hour long video. I went over in depth what I do and what I see in the market. There's nothing hidden. Everything is unfiltered, and it'll be like point to point. No strings attached to it. So guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in another video tomorrow, if not then whenever we finish the trade. So peace, stay hard and stay focused. Stay away from the goals as well. Peace.